Why do I like this mouse so much? Well, today we're taking a look at mouse from ROG called Keris. I have no idea what's the definition or meaning of that word itself, but we are here for the performance and gameplay of this mouse. What is cool about this mouse, that it has hot swappable switches for the left and right click buttons. So basically in the package we're getting two Omron switches. Originally the mouse comes with micro switches that are default by ASUS. So in short words, for the price of one mouse, you get almost like two mouse, which is a great deal. Connectivity is USB 2.0, tracking 16,000 dpi, 50G acceleration. Well, it's an ultra-weight gaming mouse that is very well built. This mouse has a right-handed shape, suitable for smaller to medium hands. It has also 100% Teflon feet, so 4 of them we have. Additionally, we have in the package as well. PTFE material is used on the feet. They call it ROG Mouse feet, so that's a ASUS term. You can use palm grip, you can have different kind of grips, claw, finger grip, you name it. It's up to you basically. If you were to finish the lifespan of these switches, you can just swap them out for the Omron ones. Obviously the feeling is different, but you have the option. I will be linking here the durability of the ROG micro switches. 2-meter long paracord cable, which has phenomenal quality. In this version versus the wireless version, we cannot swap out the buttons. On the wireless version, you have the option to use those pink buttons, which does actually look cool. Here we don't have that option. PBT plastic has been used on the left and the right buttons. It has a durable non-slip surface, which is something actually new for me, and it feels amazing. They have an internal honeycomb structure. Also the mouse has PBT buttons, which has texture feel on them, so instantly that's something I notice. Scroll wheel is nice, but we don't have any tilt function here, which I do miss. And it's not beating the Logitech one. In Logitech we have this mouse button which makes the scroll wheel scroll extremely fast. That's something missing here. It has also 2-zone RGB lighting on the logo and the scroll wheel, which you can customize from the Armory software. The software is not the best, but it works. There's a button underneath the mouse to change the DPI, which indicates with the light to tell what's the DPI set on, which makes this mouse overall weight just 62 grams. So there are some people who don't like the honeycomb design. It is a mouse that is optimized for FPS games. It has ergonomic design. Like I mentioned before, ASUS has used 70M micro switches. These are installed by default, but you can switch to Omron D2F 01F switches. Dedicated DPI button, 4 adjustable levels, and we have 7 programmable buttons. For instance, I have the, what's the name of that mouse? Glorious Model O, I think I have. So dust do enter the structure. Some people are worried about this. With this ASUS mouse, you won't have that issue whatsoever. I suggest that you test this mouse before you make any kind of decision if you like it or not, because it's a different mouse. I had 2 of my friends which I let them test. they did not like it, so it's a matter of taste. That's why I always say it. If you have the opportunity, go to any computer store where you can test the mouse and make a judgment based on that. I mean, it's a phenomenal mouse. Right now it's one of my favorites. The Glorious, I just don't like the clicking mechanism of that mouse. Maybe perhaps it's the switch. There will be a separate video of that. I'm not gonna talk more and bore out you with specs and other stuff that I mentioned. I'll let you be the judge of the video, how my gameplay was with this mouse. We gotta also one more thing, guys. We gotta sub to the channel. I see the views are growing. There's a lot of you who are not still subscribed. Let's hit that 1,000 mark and let's decide something that I can give back to you guys as well. Once again, thank you for your support. I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.
Wait, they're alive!